Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss summative test reviewer for English 4, Quarter 3, Week 1 to 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which word shows a cause in this sentence? I was late because the rain was heavy. A. Late. B. Because. C. Rain. D. Heavy. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. What word connects two similar ideas? A. But. B. Because. C. And. D. If. The correct answer is letter C. Number 3. Which sentence shows a sequence of events? A. After eating, we washed the dishes. B. We play every morning. C. I am reading a book. D. The dog runs fast. The correct answer is letter A. Number 4. The phrase, as brave as a lion, is an example of a blank. A. Simile. B. Metaphor. C. Hyperbole. D. Irony. The correct answer is letter A. Number 5. Which word is the opposite of difficult? A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Tough. D. Tricky. The correct answer is letter A. Number 6. What word means almost the same as happy? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Joyful. D. Afraid. The correct answer is letter C. Number 7. Which sentence expresses an opinion? A. The sun rises in the east. B. Dogs bark at strangers. C. Chocolate ice cream tastes the best. D. There are 7 days in a week. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. The word that connects an effect to its reason is blank. A. Because. B. Before. C. After. D. Yet. The correct answer is letter A. Number 9. Which of the following sentences is complete? A. Running fast. B. The cat jumped over the fence. C. On the table. D. Behind the door. The correct answer is letter B. Number 10. Choose the correct punctuation for this sentence. How are you today? The correct answer is letter B. Number 11. Which visual element shows how thick, thin, straight, or curved a drawing can be? A. Line. B. Color. C. Shape. D. Space. The correct answer is letter A. Number 12. Which element of visual text creates forms such as circles, squares, or triangles? A. Line. B. Shape. C. Color. D. Texture. The correct answer is letter B. Number 13. Which visual element helps make an image lively and noticeable? A. Color. B. Title. C. Paragraph. D. Dialogue. The correct answer is letter A. Number 14. A photograph is an example of a blank. A. Text. B. Graph. C. Graphic. D. Song. The correct answer is letter C. Number 15. A drawing used to show an idea without using words is called a or an blank. A. Illustration. B. Paragraph. C. Dialogue. D. Caption. The correct answer is letter A. Number 16. Which kind of graphic helps show numbers and comparison? A. Graph. B. Icon. C. Picture. D. Poster. The correct answer is letter A. Number 17. A visual text that uses shapes, colors, and lines to send a message is called a blank. A. Paragraph. B. Graphic. C. Chapter. D. Stanza. The correct answer is letter B. Number 18. An icon is usually used to blank. A. Show music notes. B. Represent a function or idea. C. Tell a long story. D. Describe a place. The correct answer is letter B. Number 19. Which element is most helpful in making an image meaningful and easy to notice? A. Color. B. Margin. C. Title page. D. Spacing. The correct answer is letter A. Number 20. Photographs and drawings are both examples of blank. A. Multimedia elements. B. Spoken text. C. Fictional characters. D. Sentences. The correct answer is letter A. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 21. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. This statement is true. Number 22. An opinion tells something that can be proven true. This statement is false. Number 23. A paragraph is made up of only one sentence. This statement is false. Number 24. Transition words help connect ideas in a paragraph. This statement is true. Number 25. A declarative sentence asks a question. This statement is false. 26. Some images are created to entertain viewers. This statement is true. Number 27. Text combined with graphics is an example of a multimedia element. This statement is true. 28. Real images always show imaginary events. This statement is false. 29. Colors help show the purpose of a visual. This statement is true. 30. An image can reflect cultural identity. This statement is true. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.